Cumin has been used since ancient time for medicinal purposes as well as an ingredient in foods in the Middle East. Cumin seeds have played a medicinal role in many parts of the world, as evidence supports claims that they do indeed offer a range of health benefits. In today's video, I'll go through 7 health benefits of cumin seeds, dosage recommendations, side effects, and contraindications coming up. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. They fight bacteria and parasites. Cumin seed oil extract has been used as an effective larvicide and antiseptic agent. It is known to kill strains of bacteria that are resistant to other antiseptics. Researchers believe that cumin could help kill harmful bacteria that is trying to attack the immune system. 2. They have anti-inflammatory effects. The active ingredients in cumin seeds have been shown to exhibit a significant analgesic effect for chronic and inflammatory pain. This means that if you have pain or inflammation that trigger other conditions, adding cumin to your diet may counteract the effects. Cumin extract as an essential oil alone was not shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, only the seeds themselves. 3. They alleviate IBS and other digestive ailments. Indigestion is likely the most common traditional use that cumin is used for. Cumin extract can be effective in improving all symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, including cramps, digestive spasms, nausea, and bloating. The extract was reported to be so effective that researchers hope it can be used as an affordable alternative to prescription drugs. Thymol, a compound in cumin, increases the release of bile from the liver. Bile breaks down fats into small droplets, which allow for the digestion and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Cumin also stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, ensuring food is thoroughly digested in the stomach and intestines. Cumin water is known to act as a painkiller and is especially beneficial in curing stomach ache and abdominal pain. 4. They boost weight loss. Cumin water is becoming a wonder drink and a healthy way to lose weight. Some people claim to soak 1 to 2 tablespoons of the seeds in a glass of water overnight and drink the warmed up extract in the morning for weight loss benefits. These benefits are backed up by medical research. A 2015 study found that daily consumption of 3 grams of cumin powder in yogurt for 3 months saw significant decreases in body weight, waist size, and body fat in overweight women. 5. They may reduce cholesterol. Cumin is considered to have hypolipidemic properties. This effect helps your body control high levels of fats that hurt your heart and cholesterol levels. The same study mentioned earlier, where overweight women supplemented with cumin powder in yogurt, also analyzed its effects on body composition and lipid profile. After 3 months, cumin powder reduced levels of fasting cholesterol, triglyceride and LDL, as well as increased HDL. 6. Diabetes management. Adults with type 2 diabetes may experience blood sugar lowering effects with cumin essential oil. Participants in a 2017 study received either a daily dose of 100 mg or 50 mg of cumin oil per day or a placebo. After 8 weeks, both cumin oil groups saw a significant drop in blood sugar, insulin, and hemoglobin A1C levels. These are all markers of good diabetes management. The cumin oil groups also saw improvements in signs of insulin resistance and inflammation. 7. They enhance cognitive function. Cumin can stimulate the nervous system to be more effective, resulting in a sharper memory and greater control over your limbs. It might even be able to help treat Parkinson's disease because of its contribution to the body's central nervous system. Dosages, side effects and contraindications. Cumin is considered safe and generally non-toxic, even in larger doses. The typical dose of cumin as a supplement is 300 to 600 mg per day. But there are some side effects to be aware of. Researchers have found evidence that cumin suppresses testosterone levels, which means it could make men less fertile. Cumin has been used by some cultures as a substance to trigger miscarriage, so women that are pregnant or trying to conceive should bear that in mind. People with diabetes, particularly those who take medication, should use cumin supplements with caution and under the supervision of a healthcare practitioner, as it may reduce their blood sugar levels further. As with all supplements, seek advice from your healthcare provider, as many supplements could impact how certain prescription medications work. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.